In Katiel, Davao Oriental, the rain doesn't just fall, it devastates. Each year, floods arrive like uninvited guests, sweeping away not just homes, but hopes. Children wade through chest high water just to glimpse their classrooms. Farmers lose not only their crops, but their dignity. Mothers pack their lives into sacks as they flee the rising tide. For the people of Katiel, this is not just weather, it's the face of climate change. After Typhoon Pablo struck in 2012, Katiel's geography was forever changed. Rivers that once sustained the land now threaten to swallow it. Today, floods strike up to three times a year, disrupting schools, stalling businesses, and pushing families into the margins. Emergency funds meant for healthcare and education are redirected to repair roads and roofs again and again. But how long can a town rebuild before it loses the strength to rise? Yet, in every storm, there is a spark of resilience. And in Katiel, that spark is catching fire. We envision a town where no child misses school because of a flood, where rivers are protected, not feared, where communities lead the way in climate action. This is the heart of our campaign. Baha Bay, Katiel's fight for a flood free future. Rooted in science, community, and courage, we are fighting for a Katiel that not only survives climate change, but thrives beyond it. How do we begin? We act together. We start by educating, integrating climate change into school lessons and barangay talks. We reforest riverbanks and clean our waters. We advocate for flood control systems, for multi use evacuation centers, and for climate responsive plans in the local government's budget. With the help of youth organizations, educators, farmers, and leaders, we're launching consultations, flags, petitions, and environmental action days. Every voice matters, every signature counts, every tree planted is a step forward resilience. But we cannot do this alone. We call on you, yes, you, to be part of this movement. Share our campaign, sign the petition, join the cleanup, start a conversation. Katiel's story is not isolated. It is a warning for all flood prone communities in the Philippines and around the world. Climate change is real, but so is our power to fight back. When floods rise, so must we. Katiel has long suffered in silence, but no more. Today, we rise with knowledge, with unity, and with purpose. Let us stand together, hand in hand, for the future of our children, our land, and our people. The time for resilience is now. Let's rise together. Hashtag Flood Free Katiel.